Nesa can be one of the treatment who can help us in the future. So that's the reason why I'm interested to go a little bit more deep in this direction. So my name is Marc. I'm an independent physiotherapist with a clinic in Biel. We have active physiotherapy, so for us it's important that the patients are well treated. So they have to know what their problem is, what they can do themselves for treat themselves, and we show them how to go the way. For me it's really important that they take the responsibility of their health themselves. And so when Hans told me that you will show your system, so I was interested, because for me I did also sport in a higher level, so I had also a little bit the view of the sport sides. And for me the health and also the body activity is the main important in my life. As a physiotherapist I can make more in both directions than in the sport side, so I decided to be a physiotherapist. And for me it's the most nice profession you can ever have, because I can use it also for myself, and I can treat patients and show them how to stay healthy and push them on the right way. So I like this profession very well. So I was always polysportive, so I liked different sports, but in competition the main sport was wild water canoeing. So that's the discipline was to go from in the wild water from one point to the other as quick as possible. So that was the goal of the sport. There are different disciplines. You can also, the Olympics have the slalom or the regatta sport. The sport I did, it's not an Olympic discipline. I think you have a hierarchy of the human body, and I think the vegetative nerve system is one of the most important to stay in a balance. Our praxis calls also balance, our physiotherapy balance. So when we started, we knew that the balance of different things is important. And for me, I think now I have more than 35 years experience. And if you have more and more experience, so you see that the manual treatment and all these things have an effect to a certain level, but in the end you miss something who bring you further. And I think for my future, I think the vegetative neural system is a key point to bring the patient further. I think observing what's going on the market, and I think I had in the future a little bit the feeling which treatments have a future, and I think Nesa can be one of the treatment who can help us in the future. So that's the reason why I am interested to go a little bit more deep in this direction. And I have also my wife, she is a chronic patient, so I also looking always a little bit, are there opinions for her for have a better life quality. So for me, I think the practical part of treatment is the most important for me. I'm not the theoretic physiotherapist I'm trying out, and if something helps to go further in a good treatment, so it's what I like to do.